Go.
Today we're going to learn about division using base 10 blocks. Given an equation 625 divided by 5. What's a good way to actually rewrite the equation would be 625. Meaning that we will have to have 5 groups using 625. But using our base 10 blocks, the 6 is in the hundreds place, which means we're going to need to use 100 of these flats. And the 2 is on the tens place, so we're going to use the 2 longs to represent the 2, and the 5's on the ones place, so we will use 5 ones. So we can start by 5 divided by 5 can go into 6 one time, which means we're going to do 5 groups. However, we are still having one extra flat, using one extra flat, but it cannot go into each group. How do we do this? We decompose the flat into longs. Why? Because we know that 10 longs makes 1 flat. Therefore, we move this out of the way and we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We get 10 longs plus the 2 extra longs makes 12 long total. How do we know that? 5 can go into 12 2 times, which means it'll be a 10. You subtract it, it'll be 2. Okay? So we put 2 longs into each flat, each group, which means that there are 2 longs remaining. But 2 longs cannot go into each of the following groups. Therefore, what do again? We decompose these 2 longs, which make 20 units, into a single unit. So we move that apart and we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19. We get 20 single units plus the 5 we already had, which makes 25 total. But if we divide 25 times 5, 5 goes into 25 5 times. Therefore, we will put 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now, having these 5 groups, their total amount is 125 units per group.